Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I am going to teach you guys how to turn on NFC reader on your iPhone. Now, basically in all the latest versions of iPhone, after iPhone 13, your NFC reader is automatically activated. If you have an older version of iPhone, or if you want to manually activate it or it doesn't activate in your latest version of iPhone, you can follow these steps to activate it. Step 1. Go to shortcuts in your iPhone. Click on shortcuts over here. Here you will find the automation button over here. Just click on it. You will arrive to this page, and here you can just click on this new automation button. Here if you scroll down, you will find an option known as NFC. Just click on it. You will have two options: run after confirmation, run immediately. Just leave it to run after confirmation, and you just click on scan. You would arrive to this page where now it's actually scanning for the nearest NFC tags. So if you just bring your NFC tag nearby, it would get automatically scanned. So if this video was helpful to you, then just do not forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button if you want more such videos. Well, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.